Jump over to silver. Another very interesting chart. Let me just overlay this. So this is silver. Very interesting, right? There's a trough that's due right about now. You can see that little bit of a diamond formation that led to that move up. That was a weak base. That's why I was saying very likely it was really late buyers there, and we have since seen that entire move get retraced. So now things get very interesting because we are seeing silver miners, which is the SIL, act really great. It's already at prior swing highs, right? It's already up here, relative to where silver is itself. So again, acting very, very, very well, right? Are miners leading the underlying spot commodities, right? My overall lean is probably yes. So we would in time see silver move back up and out to the upside and clear 40. That seems to be a reasonable thing to be looking at in terms of an upside scenario, right? Now, have we seen an actual trigger in terms of price yet, however? No, we have not. Okay. We have seen a sharp sell-off now into that trough and then a low that has in all likelihood formed at 36.28. Once this moves over 38.52, which is the 61.8, and then the 78.6 at 39.13, that would really very likely say that next move up is now on really in silver on the daily time frame, right? Until that can happen, while I really like what I'm seeing in silver miners and in some of the, some of the other silver mining names themselves, right? Like PAS, like Fortuna, right? Those are actually acting very nicely right now. I haven't seen it yet tell me in silver itself that it's ready to go. So I am going to still be leaning on the 61.8 and primarily the 78.6 to say, okay, this move is now getting going here in SI. Okay, so that's what I'll be watching for. Right now, very likely it has at least formed a daily trough. If this wants to move, right, you'd see it move through those key levels that I highlighted, and you'd obviously also see a bullish translation form on the daily time frame in silver like that. So you'd see a move that moves through those levels and forms like that if the intermediate term trough is in place. But obviously, we would need to see a move through our key levels on that overall glide path, right? So that's kind of why I'm just really keying on those levels to say, okay, this low has formed. Right now, it's just acting okay, but silver miners are acting far better, just like what we're seeing in gold miners as well. So interesting action, but we have to see both GC and SI tell us that it's ready to go. It has not yet done so.